explain about row summary feature in model driven app forms. So I'll just explain this row summary feature from the perspective of any of the entities that are there in Dynamics. So I'll just try to show the Dynamics account entity, and I will show how exactly this row summary feature works. And first of all, I will try to show you what exactly is this row summary feature and how it looks, and I will also show you how to enable this row summary feature in the Power Apps Admin Center as well. Okay, let's go to this is my Power Apps environment, and the one right now you are seeing is my sales environment. And if you see here, I'm in the accounts section. I just opened a particular account. Okay, so let me go back again and open a account. So right now I have a one dummy active account. I'm just trying to open here. So if you observe at the top of the page, we have this summary section. Okay, so this is called the row summary. So it's trying to give a summary of the row that you are trying to view here. Okay, so if you see here, I just try to expand the whole summary. So it is giving me some details like account name and account number. Okay, so account number is not there, so that's why it is saying it is not provided in the data. Now, so this is what row summary is. Okay, now I'll try to show you how to change this summary as well, because we have the option to modify this summary by giving our own parameters. I'll show you how to do that. First of all, there is a process to activate this feature first of all, okay, in a given Power Apps environment. For that, what we need to do is like you have to go to Power Apps Admin Center. So this is the Power Apps Admin Center. Okay, let me come from the beginning again. Okay, so go to your desired environment. So right now my environment is the sales trial. I'm just clicking it. So here at the top, go to settings, and here you can click the product, and within the product go to features. Once you are in the features section, go down. There should be a AI Insight cards. Yeah, so this is the AI Insight cards option. So if you see here, it is telling record summaries and other Copilot insights will appear on this main forms. Okay, so this section is for that purpose. Right now it is showing as default, and there are other options called on and off. So default is like it is like Microsoft is going to decide whether to apply. Microsoft is going to decide in future if it is coming up with any updates for this particular option. So Microsoft can easily do this on and off by itself. Okay, so default is like you are giving the control to Microsoft. On is like once you set it on, even though in future Microsoft updates decide to make this setting off, they can't turn it off because the user has overridden, and he says he wants this functionality by keeping on. So right now I am changing from default to on, and I will click save. Let it complete. Okay, so now it's done. Now what I will show you is I'm going to the make.powerapps.com. I'm going to the same environment. Let me go to the accounts entity. Sorry, I'm opening the form by mistake. Let me come back to the accounts entity. So if you see accounts entity here, so currently there, if you under the customization, you will see this option row summary. Okay, so see, in two ways you can go. Either you can click this row summary, it will show a page like this. I'm closing this again, and you can also go to the same section in a different way. You can click the form section, and at the top also you will see row summary. So here you have to click row summary and click edit summary. So both the places it is going to the same section. So right now, if you see here already in the account form, it is saying the account summary for the given record is as follows: account name and account number, right? So if you go here, see that summary message is coming from here. Okay, so right now we can play around with this. We can change this message, like for example, if I want to change this, like I'm just removing everything. I'll mention like summarize account with ABC, summarize account with, you can click add parameters, like add data, and you can add your own account columns as well. Okay, summarize account with, I'll just mention like maybe we'll take some value which is already there. Summarize account with created by will keep. Okay, just to see how it works with created person and account name as, go here account and add account name. Okay, and add it. Once you add it, you need to click test. Okay, so once you click test, it will show the preview here. Yeah, see now it is showing like the account name fourth coffee was created by user, account that created by whose specific username is not provided in the data, the account's unique identifier is okay, I think it's not able to fetch the account dot created by value. Maybe let me take anything, something else here. Okay, maybe in the preview it is showing like that, and in the actual it might work, but let me try. Let me see what are the other columns available. Yeah, I'll take phone number. Okay, that might be easy. Phone number, phone. What values are there? Fax is there, ticker symbol is there. Ticker, yeah, ticker symbol. I'm just adding ticker symbol, and I'm just saying account with ticker symbol as. Okay, now click test again. See, even though it's not showing the value, let's publish and try it in the form directly. Okay, see now it is telling the account with ticker symbol that value is named fourth coffee. Okay, so right now it is working correctly. I'm just trying to click apply to main form. That means all the forms which are coming from this entity, all the main forms will show this row summary, whatever I modified. I'm clicking apply. Okay, so once it is done, you go back to your account record again and just try to refresh this. You should see the new one. See, let it load. I think it's loading. No, it's still not refreshed. Let me, it should show the ticker. Yeah, see, now it is working. It is showing the account with ticker symbol FBKMG is named fourth coffee. So the ticker symbol value is FBKMG and the account name is fourth coffee. So that's what is coming here. Okay, so this is how we need to change the row summary as per your needs, and you can try to show the relevant summary on a particular entity record. Okay, so hope you guys understood how exactly to use this row summary, and based on your exact client requirements you can play around with this feature. And if you really want to turn this off at some point of time, what you can do is you can go to this row summary and you can hide also. If you select hide on all main forms, automatically that summary won't show on any form, I mean any main form. Okay, so this is about row summary feature in model driven app forms. Thanks for your time. I'm signing off. Thank you.